Tango. I repeat for you, Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango. If you write in Google, you can find detail to me. My address and my email address too is Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango at yahoo.com. This is my email address for QSL card. Yes, Tomek, I understand. It's very good signal, very good radio, Jackson. Look, in the last few minutes I was talking with 1 Alpha Tango 158 Gino. It was a mobile station who have President Jackson too, and he have 57 whiskey power, and his antenna is Skipper. I understand from you. Okay, my friend, you have 120 whiskey power. You have amplifier in this moment. Microphone to you, 161 November Delta 79, operator Tomek, the 233 Hotel Alpha 989, operator Zoli.
Yes, of course, 100%. I copy, my friend, 100%, no problem. Yes, of course, I have this moment amplifier, my friend, 120 whiskey. This moment amplifier 120 whiskey. Mr. Zoli, yes, no problem. I have QSL card exchange with you, no problem. And please repeat again your email address. I send you my coordination and send you QSL card too. Please repeat again, my friend, your coordination. And your email address, my friend. Roger.
Yes, my friend. My address, my home address is on internet. If you type on Google Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango, and you look the pictures, you can find my picture and my detail on radio amateur point Romeo Oscar by Romania. But you type in Google and you can find detail. My picture is on internet. I have a T-shirt, white T-shirt and sunglasses, and it's a picture from Rome. I was, I guess, 3 years in Rome. And my email address is Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango at it's sign of email addresses. It's at it's one like alpha yahoo.com. I repeat for you, Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango at yahoo.com. This is my email address. QSL.
100%, my friend. I repeat again your email address. I repeat again, and one moment, please. Yankee Oscar number 5 Papa Alpha Tango Aerobus, yes, / Aerobus, of course. Yahoo point Charlie Oscar Mike com. No problem, my friend. 100%. Mr. Zoli, I give you too my email address. I give you too my email. This is 161 November Delta number 7 number 9 Aerobus. Whiskey Papa point no no, I'm sorry. Try again, my friend. 161 November Delta 79 Airbus Whiskey Papa point Papa Lima. Whiskey Papa point Papa Lima. Yes, 100%. Repeat again, my friend. 161 November Delta 79 Airbus Whiskey Papa point Papa Lima. QSL, Mr. Zoli?
Yes, 100%. Your email address is your code sign, and Whiskey Papa point Papa Lima. Papa Lima from Poland, I guess. Please correct me if I said wrong. Microphone to you, 161 November Delta 79 operator Tomek, the 233 Hotel Alpha 989 operator Zoli.
Yes, of course, 100%. My email address 100% is correct, my friend. Mr. Zoli, please repeat again your city name, your QTH. Roger?
Yes, my city name is Cluj-Napoca. Cluj-Napoca is two names on one. I tell you, Charlie Lima, uniform, Juliet, and separate November, Alpha, Papa, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha. I repeat for you, Charlie, Lima, uniform, Juliet, separate, November, Alpha, Papa, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha, QSL, my friend, Tomek, 161 November Delta 79, the 233 Hotel Alpha 989 mobile station.
Yes, of course, 100%. I repeat, my friend, your QTH. Charlie, Lima, uniform, Juliet, separation, November, Alpha, Papa, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha. 100%, Mr. Zoli, no problem. Okay, thank you very much, my friend, for a very, very nice QSO. Congratulations, your station is very, very strong, my friend. Good Transilver and antenna, no problem, my friend. Thank you very much. 73 for you, Mr. Zoli. I send you my coordination, Mr. Zoli. I send you my coordination for your email address. No problem. And I send you my QSL card and my postcard of my city, Mr. Zoli. I send you QSL card and postcard of my city. Roger?
Yes, thank you very much. I forgot to say for a last conversation partner, if I know his address, if I know your address, I can send you one QSL card, one QSL of is right Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango, because this 233 Hotel Alpha 989 cosine is on 11 meter, but in 20 meters, not 11, in 20 meters and 70 centimeters. I am Yankee Oscar 5 Papa Alpha Tango. But the QTH is right, is okay. It's all that. Microphone to you, 161 November Delta 79, the 233 Hotel Alpha 989.
No problem, Mr. Zoli, no problem. I copy 100%. I understand, no problem, my friend. Send me normal postcard, my friend. Send me normal postcard and it's all right. No problem, my friend. Okay, Mr. Zoli. My QTH, one moment, please. I repeat my QTH, my friend, my city. My city is Northwest Poland, my friend. November, Oscar, Whiskey, Oscar, Golf, Alpha, Romeo, Delta. I repeat again, my QTH. November, Oscar, Whiskey, Oscar, Golf, Alpha, Romeo, Delta. QSL, Mr. Zoli?
Let's see, I repeat for you. November, Oscar, Whiskey, Oscar, Golf, Alpha, Romeo, Delta. You understand? Good? Your QTH.
100% is correct. This is my QTH. No Vogart, my friend. No Vogart. This is 16 kilometers from Szczecin. 16 kilometers from big city Szczecin, my friend. Northwest Poland. And be close from sea, my friend. Be close for sea. No problem, Mr. Zoli. Thank you very much, Mr. Zoli. I send you QSL card and postcard of my city.